ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 49 Command Buttons. A command button is a control on a form which can be clicked to perform an action such as closing forms, opening reports, printing, etc. An easy way to define a command button is to use the command button wizard, which takes the user through the steps of creating a button. Okay, let's open the pets database and open the pet entry form in Design View. Click and drag the bottom edge of the form footer area to expand it. Ensure the Design tab is displayed, and also make sure that Use Control Wizards is turned on. So let's have a quick look. Yes, Use Control Wizards is set to on for me. Click on the button called Button, which is in the Controls group, and click once on the left side of the form footer to create a button. In the Command Button Wizard dialog box, click on the different categories and view the sorts of actions that can be applied to a command button. Navigating around the records, operations to records, actions for forms, actions for reports, quitting the application, or various miscellaneous actions. Select Record Operations and add new record from Actions, and then click Next. This screen defines how the button will appear on the form. Select the text option, press Tab, and then enter the text New Record. Click Next. And now the button needs to be given a name so that it can be referred to later. Call the button Add New, and then click Finish. Switch to Form View, and if we click the New Record button, it'll automatically display a new blank record. Okay, save the form and then close the database. Okay, that's it for lesson 49, Command Buttons. Now, we've just finished all the new material from section 6, Form Controls. It was a very, very long section. We've looked at all sorts. Now it's time for you to test your understanding on this topic. So, the way to do that, lesson 50 and lesson 51. You'll find those in the CIA training manual. Okay, the next section will be section 7, and it will be on the topic of reports. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.